Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about ordered pairs. So what are ordered pairs? Ordered pairs are values written in a fixed order within parentheses. So let us have this example. The table shows the marks from a mathematics test. So we have the marks and the number of students. In using the diagram, so we have these members of the group, of the first group, which are the marks, and the second member of the group are the number of students. So 20 corresponds to 4, 40 corresponds to 8, 60 corresponds to 10, 80 corresponds to 6, and 100 corresponds to 4. So if we are going to write this data in ordered pairs, we have 20, 4, 48, 60, 10, 86, 104. Take note that when you write ordered pairs, you use the open and close parentheses and put a comma in between numbers. So let us try to graph these ordered pairs. So in doing it so, we have the horizontal line, which is the number of students, and the vertical line, which is the marks. So 24. So take a look at 20 and then 4. So we have to put a dot and then 48, 60, 10, 86, and 104. Then connect the points. So this is the graph of the problem we have a while ago. So let us use ordered pairs in real life. So supposing this is a sitting arrangement. So who is sitting at desk 4-2? So suppose the row is 4 and then the column is 2. So we are going to take a look at 4 first along the row and then 2 along the column. So their intersection is n. So the answer is n. Then let us have another one. Who is sitting at this 5-3? So what is the intersection of 5 along the row and 3 along the column? Yes, it is J. So the answer is J. And then we have another one. Who is sitting at this 2-2? So what is the intersection of 2 along the row and 2 along the column? Yes, it is L. Now let us use ordered pairs along the coordinate plane. So what is a coordinate plane? The coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of two number lines. The horizontal line is the x-axis, or the horizontal number line is the x-axis, while the vertical number line is the y-axis. So in here, as you can see, they intersect at 0, 0, and then to the right of 0 are along the x-axis are the positive numbers, and to the left of 0 along the x-axis are the negative numbers, and along the y-axis below 0 are the negative and above 0 are the positive. Ordered pairs are used to locate points in a coordinate plane. So the x-axis, as we have said a while ago, is the horizontal axis, while y-axis is the vertical axis. And the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect is the origin at 0, 0. So the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. In an ordered pair, the first number is the x-coordinate, while the second number is the y-coordinate. That's why when we write ordered pairs, the x comes first before your y, as well as when we plot the points. In plotting the points, we are going to take a look at the x-axis first before we are going to take a look at the y-axis. And where they intersect, we are going to put a dot or a point. So let us have 3, 5. Let us plot 3, 5. So the first step, take a look at your x, where is 3. And then the next step, take a look at your y-axis, where is 5. So where did they intersect? You put a dot on it and name the dot or point as 3, 5. Now let us have another one. So let us plot negative 5, 3. In here, take a look at your x-axis, where is negative 5. And then take a look at 3 along your y-axis. The place where they intersect or meet, you put a dot and you name the point as negative 5, 3. Now let us have another one. Now let us have negative 4 and negative 4. So in here, take a look at negative 4 along the x-axis and then take a look at negative 4 along the y-axis. Then the intersection, you put a dot and name the point negative 4, negative 4. Now let us have the last one, plot 1, negative 3. So in here, we are going to take a look 1 along the x-axis and negative 3 along the y-axis. And their intersection, we are going to put a dot and name the point 1, negative 3. That is how we plot or graph coordinates along the coordinate plane. So the x comes first before your y. Now, let us write the ordered pairs that name points A, B, C, D, and E. So for point A, it is 1, 3. For point B, it is 3, negative 2. For point C, it is 0, negative 4. For point D, it is negative 6, negative 1. And for point E, it is 2, 0. That is how we name coordinates. The x comes first before your y. The x-axis and the y-axis separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants. This is the first quadrant, positive, positive, which means that your x-coordinate is positive and your y-coordinate is positive. This is quadrant 2. We have negative, positive. It means that your x-coordinate is negative while your y-coordinate is positive. And this is the third quadrant. Both of your x and y coordinates are negative. And along the fourth quadrant, your x-coordinate is positive while your y-coordinate is negative. So let us identify the quadrant in which each point lies. For point A, it lies in quadrant 2. Point B lies in quadrant 1. Point C lies in quadrant 3. Point D lies in quadrant 1. And point E lies in quadrant 4. Now, let us determine where is ordered pair F located. So it doesn't lie in any of the quadrants. So it point F or negative 7, 0 on x-axis. How about the order pair G? Yes, it lies along your y-axis, or 0, 4 lies on y-axis. Now let us name the quadrant where this point lies. So point A lies in quadrant 1, point B lies in quadrant 4, and point C lies along y-axis. It doesn't lie in any of the quadrants. And point D lies in quadrant 3 and point E lies along x-axis. Please do remember that if the point lies along the x or y-axis, for y-axis, your x is 0. For x-axis, your y is 0. So for your practice today, do exercise 1B in page 13 of your textbook, book 2. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.